everyone, welcome back to my channel. As always, I am in a rush right now because I'm getting ready to go see Chris Appleton for the second time. And if you guys don't know who Chris Appleton is, he is like the best hairstylist out there. He does hair for J-Lo, Kim Kardashian, Ariana Grande, just to name a few. But let's just go ahead and go through my Boxycharm because I literally cannot wait to see what's inside. Oh my god, I already see something amazing. Let's go ahead and look at the theme for the month. It is Lovey and Rose. Beautiful. There's macaroons, roses, the flyer is pink. It's like everything that I love. And this is what I was excited about on top. These are Moda Powders and Soft Glow brushes. Like, look at how bougie the packaging is. It's all rose gold and the brushes look so fluffy and incredible. Next we have a full-size Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So this looks amazing. I actually like needed those brushes for this look, and I also should have done this last night because I'm feeling a little bit dull. Next we have a Peel Liquid Eyeshadow. So liquid eyeshadows are really in right now. I've gotten a lot of liquid eyeshadows in my PR boxes. My favorite liquid eyeshadow is the Kevyn Aucoin one. They come with an eyeshadow palette actually, and they're like this. And obviously they're really pricey, but I loved working with them, especially for like strobing my eyes and stuff. But if you don't want to get the Kevyn Aucoin, if you're signed up for Boxycharm, you probably got one of these, and I do like this gold color a lot. It's really, really gorgeous. So Ofra has really been putting a lot of their products in Boxycharms lately, and I'm loving it. So this is an Ofra full-size liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco. This is gorgeous. I'm totally throwing this in my bag and taking it with me to the Chris Appleton class because that shade looks perfect. And I thought my box was empty, but then I lifted this up and they literally just snuck in a little surprise, a Cover FX palette. It is the Perfector Face palette. Ooh, let's see what it looks like inside. Oh my god. How gorgeous is this? Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig into my brushes right now. And I'm totally using one of the Moda brushes that came in my Boxycharm. This is gorgeous, by the way. It's like a really nice chrome, super fluffy, as expected. And yeah, I need more color on my face. So I'm going into... let's do contour actually. I'm going into contour and yeah, just putting a little bit more color on my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the same brush, tap on some blush, and I'm gonna smile and just put it on the apples of my cheeks. There we go. Now I'm feeling like myself. So this palette is just bringing me back to life right now since I did feel super dull. But yeah, that is my Boxycharm for this month. So as I said earlier, I do have to get going. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about Boxycharm, go ahead and click the link down below. Also, I just tried out the new Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette for this eye look. So I'll go ahead and link the video down below once it's up and ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.